Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this is sort of a continuation of episode 1, how to get into the shadow position. The shadow position is when the guy and the girl is facing the same way. So there's many ways on how to do it, and this is just another one so that you can, vary it in your dancing and keep the dancing, unpredictable, which is the best kind of dancing. And right now, we're going to learn from this awesome couple from France, Mika and Emmy. So let's get into it. Keep in mind that on count 1, 2, 3, 4, they're doing the Spanish step where they twist their body to change the direction, and then they get into the shadow position starting on 5, 6, 7, 8, just so you're aware. Okay, so let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. And they're in this shadow position. Easy as that. But let's break it down very, very slowly. Okay. So, on 1, normally in the basic step, you would just go this way. Both of them will go this way. But he's going to do something different that will make them both go that way. And this is the key. 1, 2. So on 2, he has angled his body to be facing that way. So your body is the most important lead. It's not your hand. Your body will indicate where you guys are going. And now for the follower, this happens a lot when I'm dancing with someone who's new. They assume that because we're doing a basic step that we're going to this direction. And because I angled my body differently and I'm going this way, they think it's something different and they sort of freak out and they just stop everything. And so obviously the move will break down. Someone will lose balance. So for the girl, if you're new, all you need to do is just step, 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 tap. Just your basic. It's a different direction. All right. 3, 4, and if you see on 4, he's preparing something. He's preparing a turn. But there's also another thing. He knows that he wants to be in the shadow position, so he needs to match the girl's timing. So here, he steps back because she's traveling down, so he needs to catch up with where she's going to end up. So, and then he will tap with this one, tap, and then he will step, and then tap. So it's very simple. It's just a step, tap, step, tap. But there are 2 things that you need to pay attention to. Number 1, you need to pay attention to the lead, the turn. Number 2, you need to pay attention to the timing. Let's have a look at it one more time. Okay, going that way. Then this is the turn. While he's step tapping. And the way you can also know that he's step tapping properly is because now they're going to go on 1, they're going to go to the right because he is matching the girl's timing. So don't all of a sudden go to the left because you've been taught that 1 is always to the left. No, that's poor technique. You have to make it as easy as possible for the girls as a lead so that she can focus more on her job, which is the styling, the making the movement look bigger, look better. And so you need to pay attention to your timing. Don't abruptly shift her weight for no reason. Okay, so that's all I've got for today's video. Actually, I'm still going to use this video for the next episode because there's an almost identical one where the guy will actually be in front of the girl instead of behind the girl like this one. So that will be exciting as well. But for now, thank you so much for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe, and do all that good stuff, because that's really helpful for a new channel like me. And I've been actually noticing there's quite a few subscribers that are not my friends, which is awesome. So thank you so much. If you shared, or if you just found us on YouTube somehow, please help spread the word, and I'll see you in the next episode.